Back to Savvy Serena. Today I have 5 laundry tips for you today. And the first one is when you have a stain on a shirt or whatever, a piece of clothing, and you take it off, take a clothespin and kind of put a clothespin to where the stain is so that you remember to pre-treat it. And you'll kind of feel the weight of it and you'll see that clothespin and go, oh, what's that? You can also get colored clothespins too. All I have is wooden ones. But that's a good way of, oh yeah, I've got a stain on this. I need to pre-treat it. The way I pre-treat stains is I get the water going on the washing machine. And I get it wet, and then I take Phil's Napa, which some people use it for I've been using this for a while, but I use that. Some people use it to make their own laundry soap. I actually use it for a stain remover. I get the bar wet, and then normally I leave the water going so I can, put the other clothes in it. And I run that a little bit across there. And I either go between my hands like this. But if it's something really, really bad, then I will sometimes use a toothbrush or whatever. And it looks like the stain's gone just by rubbing the bar. So I'm going to go underneath it again. Yep, and the stain's gone. Yep, the stain's gone, so now it's ready to be laundered. The type of cleaner I like to use is OxiClean, but today we are going to do a DIY OxiClean with these 3 ingredients. So you need a half a cup of, you need 1 cup of water, which I already have some in the measuring cup, and you need some kind of wash bowl. So you need 1 cup of water. That's a leaf from my plant. You need a half a cup of peroxide, and you need a half a cup of baking soda. And you're going to mix that around. And then I'm going to take my dingy white socks and put them in here. And we're going to let them soak. You want them to soak for like 20 minutes or longer if needed. And then launder as usual. I've been letting my socks soak for about, I don't know, it's been a couple of hours now. And I definitely see where they're way whiter than they were before. I mean, they're not completely white, but I am seeing a little bit of a difference than I was before. Before, you want to take your clothes and snap them one good time to kind of help get the wrinkles out before you put them in the dryer, and it'll help them. So you want to give them one good snap. For you today is ball up some aluminum foil and put it in your dryer instead of a dryer sheet, and it'll help keep down static clean. If you like these tips, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and y'all come back now, you hear?